Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload digital products to sell on Etsy. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. First, open etsy.com in your browser. Go to the shop manager icon at the top right. Select shop preferences. Edit the information and click on save and continue. Then go to name your shop. Here, name your shop as you like and click on Save and Continue. Then go to Stock your shop. Here, create a listing of your item. Add as many photos as you want. Scroll down and fill up the listing details. Fill up the inventory and pricing details. Here, you can edit the variations, personalization, and shipping details. Then click on Save and Continue. After that, go back and edit how you will get paid, set up billing, and your shop security. And after that, you will be able to upload digital products to sell on Etsy.